transport system. This is for the transportation of the good. What is i4.0 relevant at this machine? We have our Control X drive and our Control X included. I will introduce later to you in the training. We say this is our handphone of the factory. There you can really install app-based solution or software extensions. That means, for example, if we want to do OPCOA, we install the OPCOA app. If we want to connect it to the drive, we install the EtherCAT app for the communication. And also the function kits by itself is not only a linear system and a drive and a motor. It comes with more. There's also an IPC with a software behind and a server. You can access this web-based, for example, access the server and also have access to all the data. That means you can use them in the end and improve your process or do a graphical programming or manipulate the data you want. Yeah? So this is also possible. And for the FTS, for the flexible transport system, what is there special, I would say? It's often used in the food production. There you have the problem, you are limited to the speed, how you can move. And this has a controller behind where you can smooth control this, that your liquid is not swapping out. So you can increase the velocity, and of course this is a optimization.
Measure the energy efficiency as well as the machine performance. Right? All these data will be collected because in i4.0 we talk about the fusion of IT and OT. All right. For this, we will have the robot, the autonomous mobile robot pick up a cobot. You will come here, load the part into the station. After that, you will bring the parts to another manual workstation for this assembly. That is the plan in the next few months. All right. So
presenting the connected hydraulic, we have two products in here. We have a Satropack and Satrobox. Okay. What is a connected hydraulic? Is the mean you're able to monitoring the system with all the sensor inside built in. Okay. And also there's a technology behind. There is also frequency converter. They also have a servo drive to run the system. Okay. From the outlook, you can have a Satropack. This is a hydraulic ball unit. You can see very compact. The compactness is very compact. Maximum is 4 kilowatt. From this unit, you can able to set the pressure and the flow based on your requirement. But you also able to control by PLC if you have a certain demand on the pressure and the flow during your process. Okay, that means you are able to connect it with the PLC, with the Profinet, with control, with Profinet, with Sercos, and then you're able to control it easily with the PLC. Okay, and you're able to monitor the status of the product. Okay,
and how you can retrofit a legacy machine. That also legacy machines are able to use the advantage of the connected hydraulics. And of course, the HPUs that you can see here, they come already with sensors. Yeah? So we move this. After the data acquisition, we focus on 3 pillars. This is the monitor, where you can see the data, make them transparent. You have the maintenance. This is the second pillar, where you not only can see the data, you also have some correlation, already some knowledge. Yeah? This knowledge can come from the experience or from a threshold data, yeah? From a threshold.
very nice. And the noise level is also very low.
Also one of the main idea usually if you implement the hydraulic concept.
Okay, the meat is for the unit is very compact.
Update the map. So if when you notice some changes for a period of time, it always stays there. You update the map and then you identify as obstacle, so that you actually detour it the next time you go. Yeah, make it more efficient and faster. Whereas for guided vehicles, you have to manually update the map itself. Yeah. So they always make guided vehicles a no movement zone, not much changes. But for AMR, it can be flexible, dynamic environment. Yeah. Within the server, we have this is hosted on its own active management server. Yeah, which actually manage our fleet of AMRs. Energy efficiency algorithm all hosted within this software. Yeah.
If I want to change the position,
Yeah.
the software is automatic.
Yes. In the shop floor, you go the shortest path according to the real time.
Slide and you see slide. Let's check.
So
We have different sensors, 3D optical detection camera system and also LiDAR for human detection.
So there are two main types of AMR in the market. One is called AMR, autonomous mobile robot, and another is called AGV, autonomous guided vehicles. So what's the difference? The difference is this is an AMR. It uses SLAM-based LiDAR navigation, so it doesn't have to be guided. Whereas you see like this class robot over here, it has to use QR codes. So you have to guide the robot point to point. So these are called the guided vehicles for this autonomous mobile robot. For our active shuttle, we have this energy management system as well. So let's say just now this guy here is actually parking at the parking spot, and when there's a free charging station, we will actually automatically go to charging station.
Cái này thì ông sẽ phải dùng cái
Charging. One advantage of our active shuttle is that it can navigate through narrow corridors. Because in a manufacturing plant, you can imagine that most of the corridors between the machines and cells are very narrow. So this is one advantage for those material transfer in the manufacturing house. Yeah. It can go up to around 1 meter as well for the corridor. So it's the fastest it can go is up to 1 meter per second and carries up to 260 kg payload.
chắc tôi thấy nó sẽ có
Yeah, you can detour around
And then, how many times for one charge?
sorry,
How many times for each charge?
about 4.5 hours for distance about 1,000 plus meters.
về phần đang thì cái việc
So it has
chúng ta xử lý con robot
loading and unloading.
để di chuyển sắt ấy. Cái nhu cầu sắt ấy là cái kệ này người ta cứ để vào nó xong cái con này nó tự biết đi đâu nó di chuyển sắt.
Once it's done, actually you go back to the charging station.
So this one is waiting for this guy to finish his task and then you
Xong kho bỏ看起来会很看起来有打的。
Two questions are asked for
Is there any function for the blue LED? I mean, there's a blue LED.
but that is just for safety. Imagine properly in the shop floor there's always a blue light. So to warn people that it's coming. Yeah.
Mình như là 200 hơn 200 260 dạฟาดไปแล้วตะเกีย
Maybe you guys can move backward a bit for it.
It's okay. Love the video.
You need the rest.
กลับบ้านไปกลับบ้าน
Get lost now.
Đi mà nó kia.
Maybe,
มันฟาดเท้าผมไปทีนึงแล้วนะ